Please give me a hint. Joe. Please give me a hint.
Think of all the farm animals you can.
Show me that new dance move you showed me this morning.
Alligator?
No alligators don't live on farms.
Monkey?
Monkeys don't live on farms.
You can go up in the sky now?
Cow? What?
Cow lives on farm, but it's not a cow.
No. What is it?
It's sweet. It's a farm animal. It likes mud. It's pink, has a big nose, and a squiggly tail.
I think it's a pig.
Hey, you got it, alright.
Mom, it's a pig, Mom.
Oh, good job, B.
Pig. It's a pig. It's a pig.
You gonna ask some questions, Joe?
I should have told you it can go in mud.
Yeah, I told him mud, it didn't help.